Hey guys, it's Lindsay. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a natural back to school makeup tutorial. And I asked you guys on my Get Ready With Me for the first day of school video if you guys wanted to see a makeup tutorial, and a lot of you guys said yes. So I'm going to do that for you guys. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Lindsay and I make lifestyle videos. So if you want to stay tuned for more videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So hey guys, we are kind of close and personal right now, but I thought I'd switch my lens to my 50mm lens, so like I could show you how like each product looks exactly on my skin instead of going from far away and you can't really see anything. So I switched my lens. So I already washed my face and put my toner on my face. And if you guys haven't seen my skincare routine video, go check that out. It'll be right there. So now I'm going to put my moisturizer on, which I'm using the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. I always use this stuff. I've been using this stuff for like 3 years now, and it's really nice on your skin. So this is my skin without makeup, obviously, but of course, the day I want to film a makeup tutorial, I have a bunch of little pimples that pop out of nowhere, but whatever, it's fine. We don't care about the pimples, it's fine. But I'm gonna put some of that moisturizer all over my face and down my neck. You always want to put a moisturizer on or sunscreen because you know your skin, gets dried out and it's not good to have dry skin. The moisturizer will actually help your makeup stay on longer because the makeup will stick to the moisturizer and it'll stay on longer. So it just helps in the end. And then after that, I will take my primer, and I use the Smashbox Photo Finish foundation primer, and it's oil free, and I love this stuff. Like the way it feels on your face, it feels so nice because it's like a silicone base and it like feels so good on your skin. I need to get another one. I got the travel size to see if I like it, and I really like it. I used it like non-stop, so I'm gonna try to get this product out of here. Can anyone else relate to like trying to use the last of like toothpaste or trying to get anything out, like just the last drop of anything out of any product? It's hard. Once I get that out, I will take it and just rub it like on my nose and on my cheeks and then a little bit on my forehead. It's the areas where like my pores kind of show more, so I just like cover those up and make it like look soft. And this product like is really helpful, like if you really want to make your skin like look really smooth, it really helps with that. So I just put that in mainly in those areas just so it looks more smooth there. I just do my makeup for fun. Like I like doing my makeup in the morning, it's kind of fun. But like I don't like putting too much on. I don't really like having the feeling of heavy makeup on my face all day. So I just do like something little natural. So okay, once I do my primer, then I move on to my concealer because I don't like to wear foundation to school. I don't really like the feeling of foundation on my face. So I actually bought this because I needed a foundation for like, special occasions. And I also needed a concealer. So I got the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and this one's in Natural Beige 05A, and I love this stuff. It's medium coverage, so it like covers your skin but it doesn't make it look cakey. So I just use this as a concealer and then I just do it under my eyes, and then I take my Real Techniques makeup sponge. Make sure your makeup sponge is damp because that will make your makeup look more airbrushed and more smooth, and then you just dab it under your eyes or wherever you're putting it on your face, and then it makes it look so much smooth. I can't talk. It makes it so smooth looking, so that's why I like it. And then I'll also cover my eyelids a little bit because I have veiny eyelids. My veins show kind of on my eyelids, so I like to cover them up with a little bit of concealer. Alright, so once I'm done with my concealer and I've blended it all in and everything, I will take my powder, and this is the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I've been using this a long time as well. I got a new one, and this one is in the shade 004 Sandstorm. And then I will just take a little angle brush like this. Probably should be using a bigger brush, but I just set my concealer so like I don't really put that all over my face. Go over everywhere I put concealer, set it to make sure it stays on all day, and I make sure I'm not oily all day. Once my face is set with powder, then I will take my Dandelion by Benefit blush, and then I'll take my blush brush by Real Techniques, and I love their brushes, they're really good. Put on the apples of my cheeks and like kind of stroke up a little bit. It has a little bit of like sparkles in it, so like I kind of just stroke it upwards, and it gives like a slight highlight, which I like. And it's not really a strong blush, so it's like not like super pink, but I like it. It's like natural. And then I'll put a little on my nose just to like make my nose a little shiny too. Then I'll take an angle brush with my Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and then just put that where your contour line is, and then blend it. And then I'll also put a little bit on my forehead, do like the 3E effect. So Then I'll do the 3 and then the E on each side, and then a tad on my nose again, just to like, you know, give a little bronze look on my nose. And then I will take this brush, and I know this is the wrong brush to use on your eyes, but I like this because it just blends it like right away. You don't have to like, you know, keep blending and blending. So I just take this brush and then just put it all over my lid like that. I know this is wrong. I know some of you are kind of cringing right now. I know, but I just do this because this is just a natural like way to like make your eyelids like stand out a little bit. And then I'll just do that because it just blends it right away. Like, why use another 2 minutes to blend out your eyeshadow when you can just go like that? And then lastly, this is the last thing I do. I will curl my eyelashes because I don't like to use mascara because I tend to rub my eyes a lot, and I used to wear mascara to school, and then I rub my eyes, and then, you know, it just got all over the place. So I just decided that I'm going to just curl my eyelashes, and I'll take this brush and then just comb them out, and the bottom ones too, and then I'll comb my eyebrows. And that is it. That is all I do for my makeup. And it typically only takes me like 10 minutes at the most when I do this makeup, so that's another good thing because it doesn't take that long. So that is my makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and comment down video ideas because I need your help. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.